Hello, my name is Ingtsek. I am an English teacher from Дэлгэрмөрön Complex School, Hope School, Amak. Today's our topic is nature protection. By the end of this lesson, you will have learned to review the words related to the nature protection and should, shouldn't, must, mustn't, modal verbs. Our objectives are we are going to do exercises and to read the text about the nature and to talk about nature protection and to study the structure and to work together and to look at some pictures related to the nature protection. Now, please look at this picture. This is beautiful nature. Do you like it? Please now look at this picture. This is the pictures of destroyed nature. Do you like it? Why? Please think of these pictures. Now please look at these two pictures and compare them. What picture do you like? Should we need healthy environment? What do you think? This is beautiful nature and this is destroyed nature. Now please read this chant and repeat it together. We must protect green nature. We must protect green nature. We mustn't destroy it at all. We mustn't destroy it at all. We should love our nature. We should love our nature. And we shouldn't do anything wrong. And we shouldn't do anything wrong. Now, please look at this grammar and read the explanation and write them down. We use should to express general obligation. We use must to express strong obligation. We use shouldn't to express general obligation in a negative meaning. Also, we use mustn't to express prohibitions. Should, general obligation. Must, strong obligation. Shouldn't, general obligation, negative. Mustn't, prohibition. Please look at this grammar again and study it. Now, please look at this explanation again and march to the sentence. Now, we use should to express the general obligation. We use must to express strong obligation. We use shouldn't to express general obligation in negative meaning. And we use mustn't to express prohibition. Now let's read the sentences. We must protect green nature. We mustn't destroy it at all. We should love our nature. And we shouldn't do anything wrong. Please look at it carefully again and match them correctly. Now let's go to the next page. Now let's check your answers. We use should to express the general application, and we should love our nature. We use must to express strong application. We must protect green nature. We use shouldn't to express general application in negative meaning, and we shouldn't do anything wrong. And also we use mustn't to express prohibition, and the sentence is, we mustn't destroy it at all. Please look it carefully and study them yourselves. Okay, now look at these two pictures and make sentences. What are they? What are they? They are cutting down trees. Cutting down trees. There are some pictures of cutting trees, and there is also sowing the trees. Cutting down trees. Please repeat it again after the teacher. Cutting down trees. Now, again, look at this picture and make also sentences. Air pollution. Air pollution. We shouldn't make air pollution. What makes air pollution? What do you think? Many factories and industries, also many cars make air pollution. Air pollution. We shouldn't make air pollution. Again, look at these pictures and make sentences. Throwing garbage. Throwing garbage. How much garbage do you throw a day? Please make sentences. Can you shouldn't or mustn't throw garbage? You shouldn't throw garbage in the street. You shouldn't throw garbage in the street. Now let's go to the next page. Look at this picture again and tell what is it. It is a forest fire. Forest fire. Now let's make sentences. Now let's make sentences. We shouldn't make a fire in the forest. We shouldn't make a fire in the forest. Now look at these pictures again and make sentences. And first of all, look at these pictures. What are they? What are they? They are mining. Mining. People shouldn't mine in our country. We shouldn't make mining in the country much. Okay, now please read this survey result and answer the questions. What is the reason for environmental destruction in our country? What is the best solution for having a clean environment? Now listen and read together this text about nature protection. Nature protection is a main issue in many countries face. People discuss it, send out their requests to the Nature Protection Association and work in groups to protect nature and clean the environment. Even school children participate in different activities which are related to nature protection. Here are the results of 2 survey questions from high school students. And now please look again to the questions. What is the reason for environmental destruction in our country? What is the best solution for having a clean environment? Now let's look at this diagram. What is the main reason for environmental destruction in Mongolia? Okay. First, 21% is cutting down trees. The first problem is cutting down trees. It is the 21%. Second, air pollution has 16% of the environmental destruction. Air pollution. And third, garbage has 11% of the environmental destruction. And fourth, forest fire has 9% of the environmental destruction. And last one has the mining. Mining has 2% of the environmental destruction. Now look at this diagram again and study which has the largest percent of the environmental destruction. First, cutting down trees. Second, air pollution. Third, garbage. Fourth, forest fire. And last one is mining. Okay, now look at this diagram again and what's the best solution of having clean environment? First, not throw garbage. So it will have 26% of having clean environment. Second, to reduce pollution, it has 10% of having clean environment. Third is to plant more trees. More trees. And fourth is to recycle. To recycle. And last one is mining. Last one is mining. Okay, now look at this again and study the diagram. So first is not throwing garbage. Second, to reduce pollution. And third, to plant more trees. And fourth is to recycle. And last one is mining. Okay, now look at these diagrams again and make sentences using must, mustn't, and should, shouldn't. For example, we must protect green nature. We mustn't destroy our earth. We should plant more trees. Okay, now look at the diagram again and make sentences with them. And first, we mustn't throw garbage. We mustn't throw garbage. And next, we must reduce pollution. We must reduce pollution. And third, we should plant more trees. We should plant more trees. And fourth, we should recycle. We should recycle all things. And last one is, we should have less mining. And last one is, we should have less mining. Okay, now please look at this example again and make up sentences using the modal verbs must, mustn't, should, shouldn't. Now, homework. Prepare a report and introduce it to the class. Answer next questions. What is the main reason for the environment being destroyed in our country? Next, what is the best solution for having clean environment? Now please write down these questions and answer these questions at home. Thank you for your attention. Our lesson is over.